I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Putting together the vanity for Lydia. Part number 5 finally arrived, so we're going to finish this job up today. Unfortunately, the sound was off during most of the filming, but the video is there. You'll get to see what's going on, and I can do a voiceover to explain anything that doesn't look entirely clear.
Each one of the columns has a backer that stiffens up the back of the column so that it doesn't rack when you put the drawers in it. A lot of this flat pack furniture has those in them. It helps to stiffen the frame. Almost all these backers are held on with little nails. If you try and drive the nail through the backer, it tends to splinter and tear out on the corners. So taking a small drill bit and poking a pre-drilled hole means that the backer doesn't splinter on you. I told you hadn't seen all the clamps, right?
If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.